can't have enough of this hair growth treatment. The effectiveness, mind-blowing. And the smell, out of this world. And guess what? It's all natural ingredients. When chemicals damaged my hair and I had to do the big chop, my hair was growing, but it was breaking a lot, really thinning out. But after discovering natural ingredients, now my hair is flourishing, it's growing much thicker and fuller, and I just love how my hair is looking. And that is all I do on this channel. I show you how to grow your hair using natural ingredients. And today is one of those amazing videos, so make sure you're watching to the end. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, I do appreciate the love and support. Thank you. And if you're stopping by for the first time, hey you, thank you for clicking on this video. So in today's video, most of the ingredients are old school. My grandma used to use these natural ingredients all the time, but I never took it seriously till I had chemicals damage my hair. And now I'm in love with these natural ingredients. And today's ingredients are easy to find. You can even find them in your own kitchen. So let's get into that. One of the ingredients for today's recipe is rice. And who is watching me right now and do not have rice in their homes? Comment below. Rice has so many great benefits when it comes to hair growth. It can actually thicken your hair and make your hair much fuller. When you use rice water, it's going to help strengthen your hair strands and also prevent hair breakages. I took about 3 tablespoons of rice, put in my mason jar, and added some water to it. You can add some hot water and let it sit for about a couple of hours, or you can add room temperature water and leave it sitting overnight. I have no time to waste. So I added my hot water and left it for a couple of hours. Alright, so my next natural ingredient we're going to use is onions. And onion is also old school. But hey, before getting into all the benefits of onions, y'all know how we do it here. But if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So make sure you show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure you get busy in the comment section and I'm going to make sure to reply to you. Alright, so I just washed my onion. I just used about half an onion and I'm going to chop it into slices. Onions are really great when it comes to hair growth. It contains sulfur and that is going to strengthen your hair strands and prevent hair breakages. The sulfur in onions also promote the production of collagen, and this will in turn help the production of healthy skin cells and also healthy hair growth. My next ingredient for today's recipe is cloves. Cloves are also great when it comes to hair growth. It contains antioxidants and nutrients that can help promote hair growth and also strengthen your hair strands. Cloves can also prevent scalp issues like dandruff, dry itchy scalp and any other scalp issues, and will give way to new healthy hair growth. I mean, cloves will just treat your scalp and treat your hair strands. I just love cloves. So I added about 1 teaspoon of cloves to my recipe. The next ingredient we're going to add is bay leaves. Bay leaves are also great when it comes to hair growth. Bay leaves can also treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. It can also stop hair breakages when used frequently. When used to make bay leaf water or bay leaf spray, it can act as a natural conditioner to tame frizz. I have a video on how to make the bay leaf water or bay leaf spray and I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so make sure to check it out. The next ingredient I'm going to add is coffee. Let me hear from you in the comment section if you like drinking coffee. I just love the smell of coffee, but I am not a coffee person. But it has amazing benefits when it also comes to hair growth. It's going to stimulate blood flow into the scalp, which will in turn promote new healthy hair growth. It also stimulates the hair follicles to speed up hair growth. And if you're someone suffering from hair breakages, hair shedding, or hair thinning, you should be adding coffee to your hair care regimen. You can even add it to your shampoo. So at this point, after putting everything together, I'm going to grab my rice water and it's all ready for me to use. I'm going to strain the rice water and add it to the rest of the recipe. All right, so this is what we're having now, and just look at the beautiful color. I just love it, and it smells amazing. This recipe is really powerful, and it's going to treat your scalp and your hair strands, and the results is going to blow your mind. But the only thing is you really have to know the right way to use it in order to get all the benefit. And that is what I'm going to teach you, because I'm not greedy. I'm going to spill all the tea to the tea. So make sure you're watching to the end, and do not forget to grab your napkins, because it's going to be a lot of tea. And here you are. If you haven't done so already, please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell, so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. On this channel, I do a lot of DIYs using natural ingredients. Ingredients you can even find in your own kitchen. And I also show you how to care for your hair. So make sure you join us. And guess what? I just love to read your lovely comments. So make sure you leave me a comment in the section below, and I'll make sure to reply to you. So I cooked everything for about 5 minutes on a medium heat, and this is how it's looking. It has all been extracted together, and it's time to strain it. But there is one more ingredient I need to add to it before I show you the best way to use it, so make sure you're not skipping any part of this video. Alright, so this is my DIY bay leaves oil. I made this oil myself, and I have the recipe for you. I got you, girl. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so make sure you stop by to check it out. So I added some drops of my bay leaf oil to my recipe, but you do not have to use the same oil. Just use any oil that works best for your hair. It can be aloe vera oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, or any oil of your choice. After that, make sure you give it a good stir, and it's time to transfer it into a spray bottle. Okay, so there are two ways that you can use this treatment. You can either use it as a pre-poo before shampooing your hair, or you can use it after shampooing your hair. So to use it as a pre-poo, you just have to spray it on your scalp, also on your hair strands. Then after that, you massage it into your scalp to every part of your hair, cover it with a rubber cap for about an hour, then go ahead to shampoo wash your hair. If you use it after shampoo washing your hair, spray it in your hair, massage it, then after that cover your hair for about 30 minutes, then rinse it out with just water. Go ahead to condition your hair and moisturize your hair. Thank you for watching this video, but before you leave, click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch more ways to grow your hair.